Hi guys, it's Tom here from SCA Conversions. This is just a quick tour of my own campervan conversion, which we've had now for 8 years. Come and take a look. Just a quick video showing you some of the features of my own personal campervan, which I converted about 8 years ago and is still going strong. It's based on a Renault Trafic short wheelbase. We've got an SCA Pop-Top Roof on it. We've got a Smart Bed Evolution 2 rock and roll bed. We've got double swivel on the front, 2 seats, and then over to the cabin out. A couple of the features. So we've got a mini pull-out larder, which is great for storing bottles of wine. Then you've got your Waco CRX50 fridge, which is a combination of fridge and freezer. We've got a double burner and sink, which is a SMEV 9722. At the top we've got a large drawer. Great for chucking any old bits in there, food products, cups, beers, anything like that you haven't got space in the fridge for. Down the bottom we got our porta potty. Moving on to the back, cutlery drawer, easy access to all your cutlery and knives and forks and chopping board and things like that for when you're prepping food. Got another little roller door here. We've done a roller door here because access is a bit tricky with the bed, but because of the fact this bed is tapered, you can still get decent enough access into there. A little bit of tower storage here, just trying to utilise as much space as we possibly can, because in a small camper van the more space the better. We've got our sockets up here, twin 240 sockets, a cigarette lighter and a double USB, carbon monoxide alarm here. Then we got our Webasto heater controller here, which is a must-have in the winter. Large camera door, the shelf in the middle. We've also got at the top we've got our solar panel control, and down the bottom underneath the shelf is where our leisure battery is stored. It's got a flap up hinge so you can take a look in there. Moving on to the rear, we got our Sargent EC160 control panel. That's all the fuses and trip switch for the 240 and the 12 volt supplies. All our lights all the way around are individually switched, so you can touch on and off, or you can turn them on or off by the mains power supply. And that's it. This is our quick tour, and although it was done 8 years ago, we're still really happy with the layout. Every layout suits a different person in different ways, but for us this is perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please take a look around our other videos and get in contact if you've got any questions.